Name the structural and functional unit of excretory system. Name the structural and functional unit of excretory system. Nephron, very good. Most of the digestion, good. Most of the digestion and absorption of the food take place in the dash. Liver, small intestine, stomach, large intestine. Most of the digestion and absorption of the food take place in the dash. Stomach, large intestine, small intestine, liver, small intestine, good. Name the largest gland in the human body. Name the largest gland. Name the largest gland. You can say, name the largest gland. Liver, very good. Good. Next question. The mode of nutrition found in the fungi is dash. The mode of nutrition found in the fungi. Parasitic, holozoic, saprotrophic, autotrophic. The mode of nutrition found in fungi. Saprotrophic, very good. Next question. The mode of roots of the plants absorb water from the soil through the process of dash. Diffusion, transpiration, osmosis, none of these. Roots of the plant absorb water from the soil through the process of dash. Roots of the plant absorb water from the soil through the process of dash. Osmosis, diffusion, transpiration. Gaurav, diffusion you are wrong. Bubu, you are also wrong. Who can say? Sanu, diffusion. No. Osmosis. In amoeba, next question. In amoeba, food is digested in the dash. In amoeba, food is digested in the dash. Food vacuole, mitochondria, pseudopodia, chloroplast. In amoeba, food is digested in the dash. Food vacuole, mitochondria, pseudopodia, chloroplast. Pseudopodia. Ubu, you are wrong. Food vacuole. Good. Food vacuole. Food is digested in the food vacuole. Which region of the alimentary canal absorbs the digested food? Stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Small intestine. What are the products obtained by anaerobic respiration in plants? What are the products obtained by anaerobic respiration in plants? Option 1, lactic acid plus energy. Option B, carbon dioxide, water, energy. Option C, ethanol, carbon dioxide, energy. Option D, pyruvate. Option C, ethanol, carbon dioxide, energy. Very good. Good, Sanu Sharma. Very good. Next question. Name the substance whose build up in the muscles during vigorous physical exercise may cause muscle cramps. Sanu, you are wrong. Name the substances whose build up in the muscles during vigorous physical exercise may cause muscle cramp. Lactic acid. Good. Which plant tissue? Next question. Gaurav, lactic acid. Good. Which plant tissue transports water and minerals from the roots of the leaf? From the roots to the leaf. Which plant tissue transport water and minerals from the roots to the leaves? Xylem. Very good, Sumeshri. Good. The movement of food in phloem is called dash. The movement of food in phloem is called dash. The movement of food in phloem is called, we can say, the movement of food in phloem. Translocation, very good, Sharma. A blood vessel, good, Sumesh. A blood vessel which pumps the blood from the heart to the entire body. Again, repeat the question. A blood vessel which pumps the blood from the heart to the entire body is artery, capillary, vein. The blood vessel which pumps the blood from heart to entire body is dash. Artery, capillary, veins. You can say, Sharma, good. Artery. Good. Name a circulatory fluid in the human body other than blood is dash. Name a circulatory fluid in the human body other than blood. Exception blood. Also a circulatory fluid which is present in the human body is dash. Lymph. Very good, Sanu. Name the tube. Lymph. Very good. Name the tube which connects the kidney to the urinary bladder. Name the tube which connects the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Who can say? Name the tube which connects kidney to the urinary bladder. Ureter. Very good. Any other? Good. So, which part of nephron? Another question. Which part of nephron allows the selective reabsorption of useful substances like glucose, amino acids, salts, and water into the blood capillaries? Which part of the nephron allows the selective reabsorption of useful substances like glucose, salt, amino acid, water into the blood capillaries? Tubule, glomerulus, Bowman capsule, ureter. Which option is correct? Tubular part. Tubule. Good. Anyone? No, glomerulus is incorrect. Sanu, you are wrong. Glomerulus not. Tubular part or tubule. Where is the dirty blood in our body filtered? Where is the dirty blood in our body filtered? Heart, lungs, ureter, kidneys. Next question. Breaking of pyruvate using oxygen take place in the dash. Breaking of pyruvate using oxygen take place in the breaking of pyruvate using oxygen take place in the dash. Mitochondria, cytoplasm. Mitochondria, very good. Next question. What are the gaseous products formed when ferrous sulfate crystals heated? What are the gaseous products formed when ferrous sulfate crystals are heated? SO2 and SO3, very good. Next question. The enzyme which is responsible for the digestion of the protein in the small intestine is dash. The enzyme which is responsible for the digestion of proteins in the small intestine is dash. Pepsin, trypsin, amylase, lipase. The enzyme responsible for the digestion of proteins in the small intestine. Okay. Proteins after digestion are converted into dash. Proteins after digestion are converted into carbohydrate, small globules, amino acids, starch. Proteins after digestion are converted into dash. Carbohydrates, small globules, amino acid, starch. Amino acid, very good buddy. Sharma also good. Good. when barium sulfate, when barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate. Name the type of reaction involved and name the color of the precipitation is formed. When sodium sulfate is react with barium chloride, name the type of chemical reaction involved and name the double displacement. White pipette of barium sulfate BaSO4. Good. The small pores present of the leaf's surface are called as. The small pores present at the leaf surface are called stomata. Very good. Magnesium ribbon is wrapped before burning because it has a coating of basic magnesium carbonate, basic magnesium oxide, basic magnesium sulfide. Magnesium ribbon is wrapped before burning because it has a coated of Next question. Which of the following are exothermic process? Which of the following are exothermic process? Option 1, reaction of water with quicklime. Option B, dilution of an acid. Option C, evaporation of water. Option D, sublimation of campers. Again repeat the question. Which of the following are exothermic process? Reaction of water with quicklime, dilution of an acid, evaporation of water, sublimation of camphor. No. Both dilution of an acid and reaction of water with quicklime, both options are correct. When we add some water to the acid, or you should add some acid to the water, then heat is evolved, also exothermic. And reaction of water with quicklime also exothermic. Both first and second option are correct. Oxygen is a process which involves addition of oxygen or loss of oxygen. Okay, repeat another question. Manganese dioxide plus hydrochloric acid gives water and chlorine. Again, repeat the question. Manganese dioxide MnO2 plus HCl gives water plus chlorine. Identify the substance that is oxidized. Again, repeat the question. MnO2, manganese dioxide plus hydrochloric acid HCl gives water and chlorine. manganese, water and chlorine. Which is oxidized? MnCl2 plus water. MnO2. Again repeat the question. MnO2 plus 4HCl. Gives MnCl2 plus manganese chloride plus water plus chlorine. Which is oxidized? No hydrogen, not correct. Sharma. Hydrochloric acid HCl is oxidized to chlorine. HCl is oxidized to chlorine. HCl is oxidized. Next question. When Ag, silver is exposed to air, it gets a black coating of dash. When silver is exposed to air, it gets a black coating of dash. Silver nitrate AgNO3, silver sulfide Ag2S, silver oxide Ag2O, silver carbonate Ag2CO3. When silver is exposed to air, it gets a black coating of dash. Black coating of silver nitrate or silver sulfide or silver oxide. When silver exposed to air for prolonged, silver oxide, you are wrong. Silver sulfide. Silver sulfide. Next question. No, Sharma, silver sulfide. Silver sulfide. What type of chemical reaction takes place when electricity is passed through water? What type of chemical reaction takes place when electricity is passed through water? Displacement, combination, decomposition, double decomposition. Double displacement. Sharma बोल displacement नहीं. What type of chemical reaction take place when electricity is passed through water? When electricity is passed through water, it is decomposed to hydrogen and oxygen separately at anode and cathode respectively. Electrolysis, very good. Electrolysis of water or electrolytic decomposition. It is a decomposition. What happens when zinc carbonate are heated? What happens when zinc carbonate is heated? What happens when zinc carbonate is heated? When zinc carbonate is heated, the decomposition reaction takes place. Zinc oxide and carbon dioxide form. Zinc carbonate is decomposed into zinc oxide and carbon dioxide.